Can this $30 Amazon Exosome Serum really replace a $1,192 Dermatologist Exosome treatment? Today, I am sharing my full 7-day results to see if this affordable Exosome Serum is a real skincare dupe, or just hype. I tested a $30 Exosome Serum side by side with a professional dermatologist Exosome treatment, and the results honestly surprised me. Before we talk about the $30 Exosome Serum, let me explain why dermatologist exosome treatments cost over $1,000. Professional exosome treatments are designed to support skin regeneration, improve texture, and strengthen the skin barrier. At a clinic, exosomes are often applied using advanced techniques like microneedling or medical-grade delivery systems. That's why the price can reach $1,192 or more per session, especially in the United States. But the real question is, do you actually need to spend that much for visible results? Now let's talk about the $30 Amazon Exosome Serum. This product claims to deliver exosome-inspired skincare benefits at a fraction of the cost. The packaging is simple, clean, and very typical of viral Amazon skincare products. What caught my attention is how many people online are calling this an Exosome Serum dupe for expensive dermatologist treatments. But packaging and claims don't matter, results do. So let's look at what's actually inside. Here's where things get interesting. Professional dermatologist exosome treatments use medical-grade exosomes designed for cellular communication. Meanwhile, most Amazon exosome serums focus on exosome-inspired technology combined with powerful skincare ingredients. This $30 exosome serum contains ingredients like niacinamide, peptides, and barrier-supporting compounds. Niacinamide helps with texture, pores, and redness, while peptides support skin repair. So, while this is not the same as a clinic-grade exosome treatment, it may still deliver visible improvements for everyday skincare. Day 1 is all about first impressions. The $30 Exosome Serum has a lightweight texture and absorbs quickly into the skin. There's no heavy fragrance, which is ideal for sensitive skin. After application, my skin felt hydrated, smooth, and calm. Compared to the dermatologist treatment, the immediate glow is more subtle, but that's expected. This is skincare, not a medical procedure. By day 3, this is where I usually start noticing changes. My skin texture looked smoother and makeup applied more evenly. There was less dryness around the cheeks and nose. While it doesn't replicate the intensity of a dermatologist exosome treatment, the improvement is noticeable. For a $30 exosome serum, these results are impressive. After 7 days, here's the honest comparison. The dermatologist exosome treatment delivers faster, more dramatic results. But the $30 Exosome Serum significantly improves hydration, texture, and skin barrier health. For everyday skincare, this serum performs far better than expected. Especially for those who can't justify spending over $1,000. So, is the $30 Amazon Exosome Serum a real dupe? It does not fully replace a dermatologist exosome treatment. But for the price, consistency, and accessibility, it delivers real value. If you're focused on maintaining skin health rather than medical-grade transformation, this is a smart option. Here's my final advice. If you're dealing with severe skin concerns, dermatologist treatments are worth the investment. But if your goal is glow, hydration, and barrier support, a $30 Exosome Serum is more than enough. Skincare doesn't need to be expensive to be effective. Thank you for watching the Glow and Grow Guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Link of this Amazon dupe linked in description below.